We've been talking for an hour and 19 minutes. Yeah. Oh, I'm just. This. What? That.
It's Italian. There's somebody in the chat talking in Italian.
Oh. Stop inviting me, Gus. I don't want to play.
When are we going?
5 o'clock, be there. Oh boy. I bet everyone else who's here is just watching the chat, not even thinking about playing whatsoever. Someone's named Slut. What? Look at the players. Someone's called Slut. Okay. This is nice.
Shall we play now?
Yeah. Stop inviting me, Gus. I don't want to play. But yeah. You're just like. We still have to ask Oracle what YouTubers he watches.
You didn't answer.
No, you didn't ask him that. You asked him if he wanted to.
I forgot. I forgot that.
I don't think he'll ever answer to you, bro. After asking that.
Brian, I was trying to make friends there and I lost it.
What? Aww.
The skills.
You don't have any skills.
I do have the skills.
No, you don't. What?
Well, well,
Alright
I
then.
don't have the skills. I beat him every single round. What are you gonna do? No. No metal bars allowed. No, please. What is it?
But you don't like my metal bars?
No, I don't like them.
Why don't you?
No. Oh, why?
I actually was gonna put him over there, but it was out of the area.
Doesn't matter. I'm not into like this. Hey. Oh yeah. Oh no, I hate you.
You know, the only reason why I put it there is because I knew you'd blow up from there. Look who it is, it's you.
No. Why, man? Call me creeper.
Because that's what you are.
Oh, not a creeper, dude. Well, I did a well, I was a creeper like one day. Another metal bar. Doesn't matter. Oh, oh.
I think it does matter. You wonder why?
What are you gonna do? Oh, no!
Just so you know, I only have 3 of those left.
Oh, fuck. Oh my. Oh my god. Take this. Oh crap. Do you know who do I like?
What?
Do you know who do I
Yeah, I do.
No, apart from him. Apart from the.
Joey.
Okay, apart from Joey. Okay, apart from and from Joey.
uh, there's a lot that you've told me. I just don't. I just really didn't pay attention.
Did I?
Yeah, you told me Joey and someone else.
Cinnamon toast Ken. What the fuck? Annoying Lord?
Oh, you like Ken?
Yeah, I do.
He's pretty cool.
I mean, he's weird. It makes me crazy.
You're just jealous. Oh,
Yes. Oh no.
yes.
That was closer.
You wanna know what else is close?
Is it something more sexual? What? What is it? Unicorn?
That was a fail.
I can't believe this.
Yes!
Fuck! Fuck! Oh shit! Oh my! I'm a freak out. Oh boy! Oh Skylar. Oh, what? Why? That was not very smart.
It was for me.
Get ready. Really pissed. Yes, yes, yes!
Yes!
Oh shit! Oh crap! Why? Oh, oh, I'm afraid. Oh my god.
Oh wow.
What is that? I can't. I must get my shit together. Okay, there we go.
Oh, you killed Toasty.
Yeah.
Well, Toasty's been a jerk. Well, Toasty's been a jerk lately, so no offense, but I don't know. He's probably busy though. He probably just hasn't had time to reply back.
Because he was on a video
Well, that doesn't mean like okay. What was the sign when he was on Skype?
online.
Oh, it wasn't the don't disturb.
Nope.
Oh,
Yes! Oh, oh yeah.
you know I'm getting tired of your shit.
What?
So you wanna know what I'm gonna do?
What you gonna do?
I'm gonna aim for my target.
What target?
It's nothing. My target is player one.
No, really? You're not gonna get it. Oh, you got a rival legend?
Oh, he's still alive.
And there goes the gun. Oh, I forgot for a second that we were playing something that is not meant to kill each other.
Wait, what?
Oh crap! Stupid player one, I hate you.
I
Never mind. Fuck me. Fuck.
don't want to. No, thank you.
I was gonna say that. I didn't say it that way.
I'm too young for that.
Headshot. Such a good mind.
You already know that. You've known that.
Yes, I did. Oh yeah.
Hi.
Hello. How's it going, Skylar? Okay then. Oh shit!
Yes!
Ah, it doesn't matter.
You can't get there either way.
I'm gonna see it. Oh shit! Why did it do that? Back off, Creeper. Oh, back off, Creeper. Back off. No. Oh crap! No. Don't do this. No. No. Oh shit. Wait.
That failed for you.
You there?
Yeah, and I have a perverted mind.
Yes. Yeah. Oh crap. 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 Uh, oh shit. Yeah.
Thanks for the help.
He didn't die.
Cause guess who I'm playing is.
No, you cannot pass.
Well, guess
You should
what? Guess what? Guess who I can play next? Who can?
doesn't matter. You shall not pass, I say. I say yeah. No, I'm gonna lose this match.
All right, you just use. Oh, you're gonna win because you have three over there.
Yeah. Yeah. What?
You're gonna win.
No, I won't. How about pass?
You're gonna pass. Wow, really?
Yeah. Oh, you want me to win? That was not. Oh shit. Okay.
I can do this. I can do this.
Oh no. Usually it's not gonna work.
Usually
Not
does.
this time. What?
Who knew that could be used as a weapon?
Double kill.
Guess what? Guess who wins?
You win. Oh fuck!
I can't believe you did that. You helped me win.